Keep cool this summer with the brand new portable air conditioner from Black+Decker. Now this is really cool because it's going to provide you a lot of air conditioning and doesn't require installation in a window. It's also a 3-in-1, so it's an air conditioner, dehumidifier, and simply a fan. So let's unbox it and set it up. First thing out of the box are the exhaust ducts. Now, like I said, these don't have to go in a window, but if you want to have the exhaust go somewhere else, these are very expandable and very adjustable, so you can make them go however you want. And pack them up small when you're not using them. And here's what you get when you pull it out of the box. Let me unpackage this real quick. Now, it really is a great small size with a lot of fun features. But let's start with the basics. You get this long 6-foot cord. It is grounded. This portion is where the cool air will come from, and it does oscillate right here. You do have some venting you can pop out to clean when needed. Now, because it doesn't have any pipes, it does have a water tank, which is this piece right here. And here's the inside of the tank. There's a fair amount of space. Pretty easy to clean. It does have some funny divots, but on the whole, you're just cleaning it so it doesn't get smelly. Past that, this water is just wastewater. It's just the water it collects while air conditioning or dehumidifying. And it has this very simple top, and this float lets it know when the water is full so it can alert you to empty the tank. And it pops on super cleanly. And finally, exhaust fans are really just connecting to this section right here. This is the exhaust section. So you just want to connect it to the line right above it. And that's it. We're ready to go. Let's plug it in. And the moment I do, all the lights turn on and it starts oscillating. Let me show you what the top looks like. Now the lights are very dim, so they're hard to pick up on camera, but the first one is cooling, dehumidifying, and fan. And then you have a timer, and you can control the oscillations. And there's one more light that'll show up here if the water tank is full. So let me turn it to cooling real quick. And you have two options. You have high and low, and you just press it again to go to either one. And once I click swing, this will go up and down to oscillate so the air goes throughout the space. It makes some really nice cool air. I'm really impressed with that. Dehumidifier, pretty straightforward. It is now dehumidifying the air. It doesn't tell me what it's doing, so if you want to know the humidity of your space, you'll need your own separate monitor from this device. And then you can go to fan, which is next to silent, and it has high, medium, and low. And the low fan is what I was noticing when I said almost silent. It's really, really quiet. And finally, you have the timer, and when you click that, you can go to 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours, and it will automatically turn off at whatever point it's supposed to. Now, I have it set up very simply right now. I kind of pushed it up against the wall and then ran the exhaust tubes behind this curtain. While it still will cool your room no matter where the exhaust fans are, it will cool your room faster if the exhaust fans are going somewhere outside of the room that you're trying to cool. But this still will work wonderfully. I love how small and compact it is and how much it blasts. Now the AC is fully running on high. It is really nice and cool. I love that it's super nice on a hot day to have this near you. It would definitely cool a full room, like a small bedroom or an office, really well. It is a little noisy. I'm sure you can hear that. But when it comes down to it, most of these devices are. But right now it's blowing really nice cool air out of the vents. And the air coming out of the exhaust is a little warmer. And it's wonderfully portable with its simple handle. Overall, I think this is a great conditioner or dehumidifier for a small space, especially one where you don't have a window or an easy place to put the exhaust fans, or just want something that's super portable. This definitely checks the boxes. The Black+Decker 3-in-1 air conditioner.